You guys got us to 500?
So we got AirPods. Let's customize these things.
Turn it up.
Before we move on with the custom, we want to express our gratitude to you guys for getting us to 500 subscribers. When we started back in August, this was our goal, and be standing and living the dream of this channel. We cannot express our gratitude in words to you guys. We are so thankful for this opportunity.
Yeah, guys, the viewers at home, you guys are the ones that helped us become this, and you guys are really like family to us, and we want to try to grow that family. See if we can get to 1K.
Yeah, next up should be 1K. If you guys can keep sharing, liking, and subscribing, man, that would be so grateful for us. We're already so grateful for you guys. You guys are the best viewers on the planet, and we want to just keep taking that fan base up.
Yeah, guys.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through. A way to break through.
Alright guys, we are done with the AirPods case custom. Both me and Cameron think it looks so cool. We think it's the best custom the Cobbler Boys have ever done. It took the most time. We really put a lot of effort into this. You can see little sesame seeds on the bun, little lettuce, onion, tomato, cheese, and the patty. We think we put a lot of detail into it, and we think it looks great. And let's go spray that clear coat. Now comes. If you want to know how we built this thing, card up here. Go check it out. Sick igloo we're in right now. Alright guys, the clear coat is dry, so let's do a little bit of a tape unveil. Not much tape to unveil since this is very small, we didn't really need to tape much, but still a tape unveil nonetheless. Alright guys, we are done with the custom. We think this is the best custom we've ever done. We've said that again and again, and it is only going to go up from here, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends if you want to help us reach 1,000. We're going to be dropping another special video like this one for you guys when we hit 1,000. So make sure to share it and get us there. With that being said, guys, we'll catch you next week on Cobbler Boys.